Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence here. January 2023, and it's one of the well, we've finished a couple other projects here in the new year, but this is a good one here because I've been telling my customers about the steel posts and the steel frame gate. So here's another one here, and it's a beautiful thing. Look, it's got like a little bit of industrial look. You can see the 2 7/8 posts there. You can see the drop rod. Here's a 4-inch post, and we use this as a common post. Okay, so what we did was we hung the 5-foot gate off of that one, and then the 4-foot off of this, and here we go. There's a single swing. Look at this beautiful thing. I mean, my goodness, you know, who wouldn't be impressed with that? Nice and solid. It's not going to go anywhere for a long time. I mean, my goodness, you know, so for a long time. The posts aren't going to break, guys. A 4-inch post, 2 7/8 posts, round steel gate frames with wood fill. I'm really working hard at informing my customers about what's going on with the wood posts these days. My goodness, I just had a job not too long ago. It was 6 days in the ground. I sent my crew back to finish the job, and he called me up and he said, "John, the post is cracked all the way from the ground up." A 6-day-old job. And so anyway, yeah, I think you've heard about that in the other video where it really upset me that I had to pay my crew to go dig it out, buy another post, and then still have to appease the customer. But, you know, anyway, so, and that's why I go out on my estimates and I inform these guys, I inform my customers about what's going on with wood posts. And I think you guys should too. But that's just me, okay? And I'm telling you what, I'm selling more of these. This is what's making, putting food on the table now, is the little things like this. You know, look at that. That's beautiful. The guys did a great job. Anyway, all right, John at Fix a Fence. I just wanted to come to you, first video of the year, and say, hey, keep smiling. Have a great day.